To start using the mobile proxy service, please access the LokiProxy dashboard. Select Mobile Proxy from the left-hand menu. You will find that the system supports two configuration methods, API and username, password. You can authenticate using an IP whitelist. Click Manage Whitelist IPs, click Add IP Whitelist, then enter the IP address and click Submit. Then click Generate API URL to view it under the Get API URL option. You can also choose username, password to configure the proxy. Support for select country and an ASN if you want to manage subaccounts and manage subaccounts. Click Add Subuser and set the username and password. You can also set a data limit for this subaccounts. You can also change the account password and toggle its status during the process. To disable an account, select the account status and set the option to Disabled. When you access the configuration options for the first time, the system will automatically generate a password for you. Selecting Random under Select Country/Region means that the IP address location will be randomly selected from our mobile IP pool. If you select Rotate IP, your IP address will automatically change with each new connection request. If you select Sticky IP, your IP address will remain the same until the session expires. LokiProxy mobile proxy sessions can last up to 180 minutes. You can select Number of Proxies to set the number to be generated. Finally, you can view your data usage in the Statistics section. If you have any other questions about using the app, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, send us a private message, or leave a comment, and we'll address your inquiry as soon as possible.